Welcome to this tech news channel. And if you are a Mac user and a user of Microsoft Office Suite and maybe you were thinking of purchasing a new M1 ARM Mac eventually. Well, the good news is today Microsoft is releasing its new suite of Office for Mac. You're running the ARM processor, the M1. So this is something that at first they didn't want really to do, and they probably changed their idea at some point. As of now, of course, a lot of the testing that's been done seem to say that the M1 is quite powerful and the Mac computer seems to run pretty well. But of course, one of the biggest problems of changing architecture is the compatibility of the apps, which usually run on Intel, so it's not the same basics. So it can't or doesn't run the same way. So here we see that Office has now been released for M1 powered Macs. So this is good news for anybody that wanted to move on to one of those new processors. And I think as time goes by and as Apple makes them even more powerful and update them, more and more of the Mac line of computers will actually run on ARM. So slowly kind of pushing Intel out of their line of processors. So it's good news that some of the most popular apps are actually running there. So check it out. If you purchase a new M1 powered Mac, you can now get the Office suite for your Mac computer. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.